Good morning, my dear students. In today's class, I am going to handle the topic preposition. Preposition is a very important topic in English grammar. Preposition plays an important role in English language. We need to learn all the prepositions and their meanings and their usages before we are going to use it in the sentences. And first of all, you have to understand the most important and frequently used prepositions in our everyday English conversation. And after that, you should be able to identify the preposition in the given sentence. This is also a very important thing. And words such as in, on, off, at, from are called prepositions. We have a lot of prepositions, and now I am going to explain you how to we use the prepositions in our spoken form and written form, and I would like to give you a demo in this regard so that you can have a clear understanding. Let me do it. Let's get started. Now I keep this book on this box. So where have I kept the book? I have kept the book on the box. So on the box, on is a preposition. You see, the book is on this box. So on is a preposition. But where is the book now? The book is beside the box. So beside is a preposition. The book is beside the box, by the box, by the side of the box. And you see, now I keep this book here. So the book is in front of the box. In front of the box or before the box. You see, now I keep this book here. It is behind the box. And if I keep this books, it is also by the side of the book. By the side of the box, beside the box. And now it is above the box. Now the book is above the box, beside the box, in front of the box, behind the box, and these are all the different positions. Similarly, I would like to explain you using this pen. Now, where is the pen? The pen is in my pocket. In is a preposition. Now I am taking this pen out of my pocket. So out of is a preposition. You see, the pen is over my head. Or here you see the pen is over the box or above the box. So these are all different kinds of prepositions which are referring to the place preposition. So I have just demonstrated you by using this pen and book at various places. You see, now if it is like this, it's around the box. You see, now it is around the box. So, and the preposition plays an important role both in written English and spoken English. So we have to use them correctly, otherwise it will be an error. It plays a vital role in competitive examination and in our public examination as well. So I have showed you the different position as to how to use the preposition, and as I have already stated, so the pen is above the box. It is not touching the surface of the box. You see, now the pen is on the box, means the pen is on the surface of the box. And let me tell you some other prepositions. So this is a pen. I can't write anything without the pen. So without is a preposition. So I give this pen to Ramu. To is a preposition. I received this pen from Sankar. From is a preposition. So like this we can use the preposition at various places. For example, so now the pen is under this box. You see, under is a preposition. Or the pen is below the box or under the box. So it is a preposition. Likewise, we can use the preposition in different places. This topic is very important. We need to memorize some important prepositions, and we should try to use them both in the written form and spoken form. Only then we can have good understanding skills in the usage of the preposition. Thank you so much for having listened to my class.